I am the one thing no one can live without, be they rich or poor or young or old or living anywhere under the sun. I cover 70% of our planet. Yet for 748 million people, I'm still hard to find. I am essential to life, yet far too often, I end it. I am water.
I am water. So are you. Did you know every 2 minutes a child dies due to water crisis, water shortage, or any hygiene related problems caused due to water? Women and children walk for average of 4 miles every day to collect water. Study predicts by 2050, almost 2/3 of the population would face water crisis. That is, every one out of 4 of us would not have water. Talking about the global issues, you can see here the arsenic pollution, that is a heavy metal which is present in the oceans. Because of who? You know the answer. Global problems which are related to the technological or industrialization or degrading ecosystem, or the improper management of water, and the water infrastructural management causes water problems. To understand what exactly is happening, I would like to first explain what a wetlands. Wetlands are simply any land where water patches are present. It can be rivers, lakes, or even the smallest pond. All these indeed contribute to the wildlife, the wetland ecosystem. In Hungary, there are 29 distinct ecosystems, water ecosystems present, and out of which there are 2,000 bird species, 400 birds, 2,000 plant species, and more than 40 mammal species are directly or indirectly related, are directly or indirectly dependent on these ecosystems. I would take this time to present you one of the most unspoken issue which Budapest is facing. Ladies and gentlemen, here I present the case study on Budapest. Recent studies have shown 52 active pharmaceutical chemicals, a pharmaceutical substance were detected in the new. When I say pharmaceutical, it's any chemical waste which is produced by the industries which are directly let into these water bodies, which are treated or which are untreated or like partially treated. And the interesting fact is, out of these 52 active pharmaceutical substances, 32 of them reach our households. That is, we knowingly or unknowingly are drinking this. The cascading effects of these substances are mass fish killing, which directly affects the food chain, and microplastics. Who knows how many liters of how much substance of microplastics we are intaking in our everyday life. This leads to bioaccumulation. Superbugs. Superbugs are something which are bacteria or viruses which are evolved over generations, which are immune to these, which are immune such way when they affect us, even though we are treated, we are immunized, we are still affected by the diseases. There is almost 2 million deaths all over the world because of superbugs, and in Europe there are 33,000 deaths taken annually. Focusing on these local problems, we know what is happening. It's all about like the political instability or the lack of long-term solutions. When we talk about solutions, it's very important for us to think about not just focusing on short-term goals, but thinking on a larger scale, having an intensive research and understanding what exactly we are doing. Because this is not about just us, it's about our future generations which are about to come. and they rely on us. Here's a graph, here's a map which shows the drought index of Hungary. You can see as it shows like there are many drought prone areas which can be still, managed. But if we do not start it now, if we do not start thinking about this right now, it would be too late. The regional solutions. When we talk about countries, there are developed countries which blame developing countries. But we should understand this is a cooperation where we all have to join our hands together to have this happen. Here's an interesting solution. We do have solutions, but there are many countries which already have this kind of integrated wetland system where they use a lot of sections to treat this water. Setting up a water treatment plant is indeed expensive. Instead, we can have having a natural way of treating water, having plants, fungi, and other kind of biodegradable chemicals to use this, to set up this kind of system where we can treat water. I would like to say, without water, there's no agriculture. Without water, there's no food. Without water, there's no delicious beer which we drink. Without water, there is no life. We are not a team which are just, competing here. We are a team here because we respect each other, care for each other, and we work together. And we all are here to work towards these goals, and we are all one. With this, I would like to say, Homo sapiens, we call ourselves Homo sapiens, which means wise men. But the question is, are we really wise? With this question, I would say we are not apart from nature, we are a part of nature. So guys, we being the end generations, let's put our hands together to solve these crises. These are just sections here, but altogether it's all about our future to save our planet. So I would like to conclude my speech saying, every drop counts. Thank you.